Discover the power of Shrink X, your daily dose to a slimmer you. Wake up to a new day, a new you with our delicious apple-flavored Shrink X gummies. A simple step towards healthy weight loss. Shrink X isn't just a gummy, it's a lifestyle. Shed those unwanted pounds, and say goodbye to stubborn body fat on your hips, thighs, legs, arms, and even your face. Mornings will never be the same again. Start your day with Shrink X, pave your path towards a fitter, healthier, and happier you. With Shrink X, you are not just losing weight, you are gaining confidence, embracing change, and taking control of your body. Transform how you look and feel. Uncover a you that's been hidden under layers of self-doubt and body fat. Shrink X is your key to a new you. Start today. Take the step, make the change. With Shrink X, your dream body is only a gummy away. Unleash your potential and discover the power of Shrink X.